Which is faster for beginners? Hostinger AI Builder or WordPress? Let's time them. Hostinger AI Builder first. Sign up and select AI website. About 60 seconds. Fill business details and style. The AI builds pages in under 90 seconds. Make small edits and hit publish. 0 to live in roughly 3 minutes. Quick benchmark. Site build 90 seconds. First publish 3 minutes. No coding. Now WordPress. Hosting, install, theme, more steps and more time for beginners. Sign up for hosting and run the WordPress installer. 5 to 10 minutes. Pick a theme, add plugins, and edit pages. Expect 15 to 30 minutes. Plugins and settings can cause delays. Troubleshooting often adds extra time. Benchmark for WordPress. Initial setup 5 to 10 minutes. Publish 20 to 40. Recommendation: for fastest, easiest launches, pick Hostinger AI Builder. Choose Hostinger to launch fast or WordPress when you need advanced control.